Okay, so let's take a look at how you can check site status in Drupal. Okay, so if you haven't installed Drupal, I suggest installing it from your cPanel, or you can manually install it on your shared host or VPS. So in my case, I have installed it on my cPanel, and I have one of the demo subdomain to work with. So here you can see I have Drupal setup here, and we are going to check how to read the status report that Drupal provides. So what I'm going to do is going to log in as administrator. So let me log in here. Now here you can see I have option to check for reports. So at the top you can see we have this manage menu, and then below that it's secondary menu that shows items like content, structure, appearance, then extend, configuration, people, and reports. So we have to click on this reports option, and that should take you to this whole page that contains different types of report. Now here we are specifically interested in status reports. So if you scroll and check here, you can see status report right here. Click on that. Now this entire page shows you the overview of your site issues, also some of the information that you can pass on to your server admin if he is managing your server. So you can check it has 2 errors. So let's check the details. So clicking on that button will take you to the bottom where it is briefly explained what type of error it is. So here you can see database system version. So currently it says it is on MariaDB and version is 10.2.32. okay, so it needs to have minimum 10.3.7. so you can ask your server admin to upgrade this database. There is also issue with trusted host settings. It needs to be enabled, and in order to protect you from certain type of attacks. So these 2 settings you can do it from your server end. Similarly, there is also one warning. It says PHP opcode cache. Okay, so this is not enabled. So PHP opcode caching can improve your site performance, so it needs to be enabled. So all these 3 issues that can be resolved on server end are listed here. Okay, there is also 24 checked items which show positive sign, your configuration files, database related information, and list of items which have passed the test. Okay, currently PHP is 7.4.9, so pretty much it is taking care of PHP issues. Okay, so also memory limit is high, like 128 M, so there won't be any issues. Okay, you can also run the cron script. Currently it ran 7 minutes 33 seconds ago. Okay, you can increase this time by editing that cron job. Okay, now keeping all of that aside, you can check out your typical system information table where it shows Drupal version, the type of web server you are using, and also your PHP version and database version. Okay, so every time you want to upgrade to some new version and want to get rid of some of the errors, if it has any, you can check this status report. So to check status report, what we can do is we can go back, and here we can see the secondary menu, reports, and then status reports. Okay, so here you get the idea how to check status reports in Drupal.